McDonald's now, and yeah, wait for some orders to come in. It's super windy tonight, so I apologise if the audio is quite bad. So yeah, I got my first order from McDonald's. The delivery is 0.5 miles away, so really close. Had to wait around half an hour for that order. It's quite slow tonight, but like yesterday, I think it's going to pick up in the evening, like after 9. Thank you very much. That was quick. £4.71 for that one. It's a good start. That's another order that's come in, literally right next to where I am now. So I got that order, it's 1.7 miles away, so it's a decent drop. Another one coming in from McDonald's. Oh.
Houston, we have a problem.
Too many items. Yeah, it's 4 or 5 meals. I'm not going to be able to carry that one until my new bag arrives from France. Oversized item. Yeah, that one's way too big.
That's what she said.
Oh man. One straight away again. Hopefully this one ain't too big.
That's what she said.
1 large fries and 20 nuggets. Yeah, I'll do that one. Hopefully it's not too busy in there as well. Yeah, so I just got the McDonald's one. Literally around the corner. Another one from McDonald's. Hello. Straight on to normal. This one's got no drinks as well, this order, which is even better. Alright, so I got that order. It's a 2 mile drop, which is a good one. Hopefully it pays around £6, but we'll see. Be interesting to see how much we got for that one, considering it was 2 miles. Hey, look at that, £7.10. That's good. That takes me up to £22.09. Got a bit of a journey back now to where I was, but we'll get back there. So we're 4 trips in, £22, just under halfway. And it's 9 PM, so yeah, we're doing quite well. Hopefully we can get done by around 11:30. Just got another McDonald's order. It's 2.1 miles away, so another good distance drop. There's quite a lot of drivers in that McDonald's now. So that one's done. That was 2.1 miles, so hopefully I'll get around £7 for that. 6.45, not bad. 2 miles, £6.45. Takes me up to 28.54. Just had a little break. I'm back online now. It's 10:30. Gonna head round to McDonald's and wait for an order. I just got a Subway order, literally just round the corner. Something different from McDonald's. Yeah, let's go grab it. Yeah. This is 0.9 miles away. boost has gone down to 1.3 now, but it's going to be going back up to 1.5 at midnight. Yeah, I'm going to be getting a little bit less than what I was getting for my drops. Yeah, it took me around the corner. There we are. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Let's see how much we got for that one. £4.06. That's quite good. That is quite good, considering it was less than a mile away. Yeah, that takes me up to 32.60. I just picked up another McDonald's order. So 1 mile away. Same house I delivered to yesterday, funny enough. So yeah, let's go get this one dropped. Oh, perfect time.
Perfect.
So 1 more hour and it goes up to 1.5, which is good. Delivered. See how much we get for that. Oh, I've got a stitch really bad. Oh man.
It is an attack of the side stitch.
£4.51. There we go. That's a McDonald's order just coming in. Alright, let's go grab this one. Got another McDonald's order, 1.7 miles away. So that one's delivered. Knackered. £5.24. That takes me up to £42.35. I reckon another 2 deliveries and we'll be at the £50 target. I got offline for about 5 minutes. I need to sit down. I've got really bad pain in my right side.
It is an attack of the side stitch.
I think it's where I ate and then jumped straight back on the bike and went online. So this is how I keep myself warm. Got a nice little snug thing, and then this is the hat that I bought today. There's some really nice material on the inside. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this pain to pass because I'm in agony and I shouldn't have eaten and then jumped straight back on the bike, you know. That's the worst thing I could have done. So I'm back online for my final order. The boost has changed now to 1.5, so definitely 1 more order and I would have hit my target for £50 for tonight. Yeah, I'll bring you back. It's more than likely going to be a McDonald's because I'm just heading down there now. So yeah, I'll catch up with you once I get my next order. Also, the reason why I don't film inside McDonald's is because of the music that they play in there. Obviously I don't want to get copyrighted, and I can't be bothered to edit out the music, and it's a bit boring to be honest. So got that McDonald's order. This one's 0.4 miles away, so I don't know if it's going to take me up to the 150 that I need, that I'm aiming for, but we'll see. It's on a 1.5 boost as well, so I don't know. Okay, have a good evening. I've got a £1 tip as well from the last order, which is nice. And this one paid £4.37, so it takes me up to £47.72. And technically I've hit my £50 target, but I'm just going to do one more order. So I just picked up the last McDonald's order, 0.5 miles away. So this should take me up to £50 for the evening. Perfect, thank you. Alright, that's that one done. So let's see how much I paid. £4.54, and that is perfect timing. That takes me up to 52.26, and it's just started raining, so I'm going to sign off here. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And yeah, watch out for episode 4. Yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you soon.